Hi guys, welcome to Science Talks. In this video, we'll discuss about how to create anime videos using AI tools. Let's start the video. First, go to Google and open Chatgpt for prompt. And for audio generation, use 11 Labs, as well as for anime character, use Adobe Express. So now I will explain step by step so that you understand how to make anime characters. Nowadays, you will seeing that anime characters are playing crucial role in Instagram. So let's start the process. Just go to ChatGPT and ask like any prompt like uh, give me a paragraph of importance. Give me paragraph on importance of AI. So take some of the prompt from here around like this. Control C and then go to 11 labs and press on text to speech. Press on text to speech. Yeah, this is actually this is old one. So remove this and paste whatever we copy now and press on generate speech. Here we can select the voice whichever you like English,
Artificial intelligence,
anything,
AI, has become one of
the
the
language
most
you like.
important technologies in today's world because it is transforming the way people learn, work, communicate, and solve
Now
problems.
we uh, now we got audio, so when download here. It will be downloading and next go to Adobe Express. Yeah, it's downloaded from 11 Labs. Now it's time to uh, merge audio into anime characters in Adobe Express. So it taking time. Please wait for seconds. Listen, you all. No, and we have to press on animate character. Yeah. Semi. Okay, then okay, select any character which you like. Alexa, I selected this one and press on record. Allow this time. Allow this time and press on browser and whatever we downloaded from 11 Labs, please please upload into this anime character. And it will take some time to merge that audio into this anime character. Please wait for some time, and yeah, it will take around 2 to 3 minutes. More 1 or 2 minutes to left to get output. Last 1 minute to go. Yeah, last force. Yeah, now it's done. Now we can see the output. You can review. You can review the video also. That's not a problem. Yeah. See here.
Artificial intelligence, AI, has become one of the most important technologies in today's world because it is transforming the way people learn, work, communicate, and solve problems. AI
You can
helps automate
download using
repetitive
this button,
tasks, improves
and you
accuracy,
can edit
saves
no
time,
clip
and
charm.
increases productivity.
Okay. Now go to
Technology.
and get a good reach. Thank you so much. Okay, thank you so much, and please do visit Sanitary Talks, and we will be having a nice videos in upcoming. So, and you will be knowing about AI tools and more interesting topics in AI as well as tech updates. Thank you so much.